I truly believe that all aspiring entrepreneurs in Botswana need to look to the rest of the continent for opportunities to grow their businesses. Seed forces you to look outside. Seed forces you to see the bigger picture.
Seed offers you a whole bunch of resources. You have access to coaches, you have access to consultants, you have access to interns.
You get to meet different people with different views, different concepts, different ideas.
The Seed Transformation Program is a program targeted at the founders and leaders of small and medium-sized businesses in developing economies. What they are looking to is, how do I take this to the next level?
It was specific to your business. You could immediately come back to your company and implement it.
De Beers sponsoring the Seed program is helping foster and develop up-and-coming businesses that have the opportunity to transform the region. I don't think you could get a greater gift than that.